Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. As promised, today we have the second video about Xiaomi MITU Drone. You can find unboxing and first review video by the link in description. Today we are going to talk about connection, setup, main functions as well as video photo quality. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. Let's start with connection to smartphone. Of course, you can download app from QR code in user manual. However, it is completely in Chinese. Fortunately, you can find Mi Drone Mini app in Google Play Store. It is in English and looks very similar to the app that used in Mi Drone 4K. So after you install the app, you need to open it and log in into Mi account. Then there will be tutorial what to do next. First, press the power button on drone to turn it on. Then go to Wi-Fi settings menu and connect to new Wi-Fi network called Mi Drone Mini. Enter default password 1234567889. That's all. Return to the app and you can already fly the drone. Now let's look at main functions. On the main screen you can see two joysticks to control and move the camera. There are photo, video buttons between the joysticks. In the left upper corner, there are some icons such as auto takeoff, hand launch, so you can launch the drone from your hand. The icon with remote control is battle mode, so you can battle with your friends who also have MITU Drone. The last two icons are headless mode and G-sensor mode to control the drone with accelerometer on your phone. The last icons is to make flips such as front flips, backward flips and others. In the right upper corner, you can see settings menu icon. Here you can see gallery, camera, Wi-Fi management, height restriction, joystick sensitivity and others. The most important is that you can now choose the photo and video resolution. You can shoot video in 1280 by 720 pixels and photo at the same resolution, or you can shoot video in 640 by 480 pixels and take photo in 1600 by 1200 pixels. By the way, Xiaomi MITU Drone has 4 GB of storage, so all footage is stored on drone, not the phone. Now let's fly a drone and talk about its main functions. Xiaomi MITU Drone is equipped with 2-megapixel camera without image stabilization. It is a big drawback because the image is very shaky even when it's not too windy. I saw footage from DJI Tello and it is much more stable. In general, the image is pretty good. It has good contrast and colors. Of course, you should not expect high details from 2-megapixel camera. Unlike many budget drones, Xiaomi MITU is equipped with different sensors, such as sonar sensor, IR sensors, and optical sensor. Another interesting mode is battle. Unfortunately, I have only one MITU drone, so I cannot test this mode. As for the battery, Mini Drone is equipped with 920 mAh battery and it provides about 10 minutes of flight. It is very good result for such a small gadget. Also, I should note that Xiaomi MITU Drone has maximum travel distance of 50 meters and height restriction of 25 meters. So what can I say about Xiaomi MITU Drone? Its main problem is the lack of image stabilization. The video is shaken, especially if you take off high or windy weather. Otherwise, it's a great drone. There are interesting modes, for example, battle and flips. The battery life is also good. 10 minutes is decent result for small drone. Xiaomi MITU Drone is good gadget for beginners or just for fun. Of course, it is not designed for professional shooting. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.